you can receive payments in less than 10 seconds. $5.50, $5.75, and $5 again and again in less than 10 seconds. And once you've earned your money, you can cash out using PayPal, cryptocurrency, bank transfers, Payoneer, and so many other payment options available worldwide. And yes, this is completely free. You don't need to invest any money to get started. This is very beginner friendly, and in a moment, I'll guide you through a real-life example and show you how to accomplish it under 10 seconds for $5. It's just a really basic approach for brand new novices to start generating money every single day. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you a website called 5Squid. You can now go to www.5squid.com. But before you go there and check it out yourself, I recommend that you view this entire video. Now first and foremost, I will show you a lot of examples, proof, and special bonus tip at the end of the video because you don't want to miss out in order to ensure that you can actually get paid. Now basically, people buy, sell, request different services on this website, and they usually cost around $5. Take a look at this. If you scroll down below, you'll notice a list of services provided by others. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to do any videos or graphics or anything like that. I try to keep things as easy as possible for you. I'll teach you a completely free strategy that you can use right away and cash in $5 in under 10 seconds. People all throughout the world are getting $5 once more. You can see here that they continue to receive funds directly into their PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can still receive your money through a variety of other methods. So when you go to 5squid.com's homepage, you'll click on this button to locate different categories where we can get paid on this website. For example, graphic design, digital marketing, music, writing and translation, and so on. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to design anything. You don't even need to make any videos. And you don't need to sell anything to anyone. Now I'd want to show you something truly unique on this website, which is a brand new release on the market that no one else is talking about. Now, under the other area, you can see right here, I want you to click on the specific category your message on and then click on this link, which will lead you to this page about this extremely special service called Your Message On. Basically, you can find people from all around the world who are making $5 by simply delivering the service of Your Message On. You simply click on this service right there, and it will take you to this page where you can see I will make Einstein write you 3 messages on Blackboard for £5. When £5 are converted into US dollars, you can now make more than $5. However, this platform will charge you a little processing fee, but be assured that you'll be able to keep $5 for each service that you provide. Now you can see a preview right here, and it will assist you in entering whatever text you want as if Einstein will help you in writing a text on the blackboard. And this is actually a very excellent service to a lot of people, and they will buy them. You can see that this seller offers several services for $5 to $20 on a regular basis. You could be thinking to yourself, how am I going to do that? I'm going to put any text I want on the blackboard. Don't worry, that's exactly what I'm going to demonstrate on this video. We could just go to this website, heatmeal.com, and search for Einstein, resulting in a dynamic Einstein image. As you can see, this is exactly what you're seeking right now. You can see that on this particular Done For You picture, you can add your own text. Put whatever you want right here, and then click the Change Image button, and it will appear on the picture. For example, by default, they'll show you an equation off to the right, as well as this text. So let's say I can put whatever I want based on what my customer wants. But for this video, I'll put Welcome to Everyday Money and change this right here to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll simply click on this button to change the image. That's all you're going to do with this. It's 100% done for you at headamil.com. And you can create done-for-you pictures just like this, depending on what your customer wants. And you can see here, people are charging real money for this. You can just create 3 messages like this and charge £5. Now, this particular freelancer has good reviews on their profile, indicating that people have purchased services from them, meaning that there is a demand for the service. And you can provide it without any technical or graphic design skills. Simply go to the Headamil website and alter the wording to whatever you want based on your client's request, and you can produce graphics similar to this. If you're using a PC or computer, you can use a snipping tool, or if you're using a smartphone, you can just take a screenshot. All you have to do now is save it to your phone or computer and send it to a customer. And that's how you obtain a $5 in less than 10 seconds. You can also utilize Uncle Sam and Quaker if you don't want to use the done-for-you Einstein template. When I click on this template right here, for example, I can change the text on the done-for-you photos. There are a lot of people that want you to change the design for them, and you can accomplish it quite easily on this website. Anyway, let's take this example, which is Quaker. If you click on this link, you'll be taken to this website where you can alter this image once more. As you can see, that's actually rather inventive and amusing. And you could simply offer all the services on 5squid.com. Basically, under this category, your message on, there are plenty of sellers offering a variety of services in exchange for $5. So you're going to sign up for a free account by clicking on the join button on top, which will take you to this page. To sign up for free right now, simply enter your email address and press the continue button. As promised at the end of the video, I'll show you another bonus that's on Fiverr, and it's again a really unique category. And if you search for the phrases Einstein your message on, you'll notice that a few individuals are making use of this currently hot trend. As you can see, there are 1 to 5 services listed here, and you can earn $5 for each one. So if you're still viewing this video right now, you have an early opportunity to go to Fiverr.com or 5squid.com and sell these exact comparable services for $5 over and over again.